First, I'm going to tell you my journey, and then we will add some points as well, whatever knowledge I gain in my weight reducing journey. So yes, I used to look like this and I transformed myself from this to this. Actually, I was gaining weight because I used to eat brownie, cheese, and a lot of junk food, which is very obvious. And my period cycle was not proper because I was eating junk food. I went for the checkup, and doctor told me that there is so much oil in your body. That's why your period cycle is not proper. मुझे ना कि PCOS था, ना कि PCOD था, but my period cycle was not proper, and that thing hit my mind that because of eating that much junk food, my period cycle is not proper and I'm gaining weight, and which is not good in a long run. So that's why I make my mind that I need to reduce my weight. So I started doing intermittent fasting, and I used to walk for 30 to 40 minutes, और कभी कभी 1 hour भी हो जाता था. My abdomen side reduced a lot from intermittent fasting. Like I saw changes within 1 to 2 months, but there was a negative side कि मेरा जो face का glow था वो पूरा उड़ चुका था. So I quit that method of intermittent fasting because मेरे dark circles और ज़्यादा highlight हो रहे थे, मेरा glow पूरा face का चला गया था. Then someone told me that I should take Herbalife shake, so I consumed Herbalife shake for 2 to 3 months. Then my body became saggy. I reduced my weight but not so much inches. I went to my coach and I told him that my body has become saggy. When I'm standing, my body looks tight, but when I sit, my body didn't look tight and it was like फैल जाती थी बहुत ज़्यादा. So I told me one more medicine that you should take this so your body will become tight. But in my mind, I was thinking that I cannot depend on these things for my body. So I quit that thing also, and I have heard a negative side of shake. Like coach told me that you have to consume a lot of water while consuming this shake, and I used to consume a lot of water, so I didn't saw any side effect in my body. But I have seen a real example, real people in my life who was suffering from this Herbalife shake. People got constipation because of this Herbalife shake, and I was also thinking that this is not good in long run if my body is becoming saggy, and I cannot consume things just to lose my weight. I need to do something, right? There was something, I don't remember the name, like a tea. It was like green tea which we need to consume in morning and at evening. There was protein ka dabba and flavor ka dabba, and उसमें ये भी कहा था that you can eat whatever you want to eat at the afternoon. So I used to consume a good meal at the. I switched to the gym. I used to go to gym, but I didn't know at that time which exercise I'm doing and for what body part I'm doing, and I was not doing proper exercise because उधर मेरे फ्रेंड्स आते थे और वो लोग मुझे गाइड कर देते थे दैट दीपा यू हैव टू डू दिस एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस. सो आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑल दैट थिंग, बट व्हेन आई स्विच्ड टू जिम आफ्टर Herbalife shake, I got 5 months personal training because I was very motivated and very eager to see myself that how will I look if I would have reduced my weight. So I joined personal training, and he guided me throughout the 5 months for reducing my weight. And to be very honest, I didn't see any weight reduction. Like there was hardly 2 to 3 kg, but my inches were like बहुत अच्छे से inches मेरे कम हुए थे. I used to do dieting when I joined gym. It was like my pre-workout was almond and black coffee. I have heard that अगर हम लोग black coffee पियेंगे it will increase our metabolism और उससे फिर हमारा जो fat है वो जल्दी reduce होगा. And then my post workout was oats with a lot of vegetables. Then at lunch I used to take salad and 2 chapati और कोई सी भी सब्जी. Then in the evening snack I used to eat makhana or peanut butter and bread, sprouts, काले चने. Same in the dinner, like 2 chapati and कोई सी भी सब्जी. And after 5 months, I realized that I'm doing the same exercise and I can do that without the personal trainer. As well, मैंने personal training छोड़ दी. I quit that. And then I was like मेरा weight कभी बढ़ जाता था, कभी कम हो जाता था. और मेरे अंदर एक चीज़ बहुत ख़राब है which I'm trying to correct it or which I'm trying to be better at it is that if I have cheated in a one meal, I will cheat for the whole day. I will consume whatever I want to eat, and if my stomach is full, then also I will think that today is a cheat day, I can eat whatever I want to eat. Then I will have ice cream, I will have cheese, I will have rice, I will have everything which I want. जितने दिनों से मैं जो चीज़ नहीं खा रही थी, I will have all that in one day. But now I have realized that if you are consuming something, you should eat in a portion, like in a small portion, then your weight will be maintained और जो आपकी craving है वो भी fulfill हो जाएगी. Yes, then for the 1.5 years straight, I was in journal training, and I used to do whatever exercise I know, and it has been 1 month and I have joined personal training again because I want to be physically strong. I want to do push up, I want to do pull up, and I want to lift more weights. मुझे मेरे comfort zone से बाहर निकलना है. I used to do the exercise, I used to lift weight whichever like I can carry for the whole 1.5 year, but I want to be physically strong, I want to lift more heavy weight. That's why I have again joined, I have taken again personal training. Now when it comes to diet, actually it is not about diet, it is about healthy lifestyle. So I have changed a lot in my daily routine. Is that I used to consume a normal wheat flour chapati, but now I consume multigrain chapati. I switched salt from the normal salt to the black salt, and I switched the oil as well from normal oil to, you can consume olive oil, but मुझे थोड़ा सा महंगा लग रहा था तो I consume mustard oil. So I have changed these things. Actually, you know what, when I changed all these things from my lifestyle, I was doing exercise, my family wasn't doing exercise, but they also reduced weight just because of changing these small things. So I think it is about the healthy lifestyle, not about the diet. I used to consume 25 grams of protein, not more than that, and my previous trainer told me that we should consume multigrain chapati, but my current trainer told me that we should consume 80 to 100 grams of rice. It is about person to person, everyone has different opinion. जिसकी मैं training लेती हूँ, I always listen to that person and what works for my body. When it comes to lifestyle, lifestyle also plays an important role for reducing your weight or for maintaining it as well. Like I used to sleep for 12 to 13 hours, but now I have changed. I sleep for max to max 8 to 9, max to max 9, but not more than that. And I always walk, not the brisk walk, normal walk after eating, like after having my lunch, after having my dinner, after having my breakfast. I walk for 30 minutes and I try not to take stress. मुझे ऐसा लगता है if you are saying कि हमें stress नहीं लेना है, उसी चीज़ का stress हो जाता है कि हमें stress नहीं लेना है. तो let's skip this point. And the most important part for all the girls is हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चॉकलेट खाने का मन करता है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कंज्यूमिंग डेयरी मिल्क, सिल्क एंड ऑल दीज चॉकलेट, I always consume dark chocolate compound. And in my opinion, if you want to reduce weight, you have to be motivated. It is not necessary that after joining gym, after consuming any particular thing like Herbalife shake or anything else, any protein, any supplement, then only you will reduce weight or then only the glow will maintain. It's not like that. You should know your body, you should know that what works best for you, and according to that you should work. And in my opinion, it's not about how you're looking because of your weight, it's about your body. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and comment for me. And yes, till then, see you. Bye-bye.